Hello everybody, welcome back to our coin engineer channel. Today, we are gonna make money from Tron Memecoins season. Probably you have heard about this because right now, as you can see from my screen, I'm the Sunpump, and in this video, I'm just gonna explain you how can you use Sunpump to find next potential 10 or maybe 100x potential meme coin on Tron ecosystem. Let's get started. First of all, as you can see, I said again, right now I'm at Sunpump and I just connected my wallet. Again, I need to show you, just click connect wallet, and then my Tronlink wallet automatically will be connected. And if you have Tronlink or other parallel alternative what is the Tron coin? Tron ecosystems relevant and available decentralized hot wallets you can use. For example, Tronlink is recommended, and it's so easy to use and easy to download to your devices. And then, as you can see, that's my portfolio, and I had already connected my wallet to Sunpump, and that's the beta version. Are you seeing the beta version? Sign in there. Yeah, that's first paid launch platform on Tron. Yeah, Sunpump. Probably you have heard, you had already knew, and maybe traded meme coin at a Solana ecosystem. Probably yes, you had. And then the Pump Fund, that Sunpump platforms already is inspired by the Pump.fun website, and but its UI, I mean user interface and user experience, is absolutely not related to Pump.fun. Right now, as you can see, there are a lot of meme coins which one had its own relevant market cap, and then if you want to see, for example, just click. That's another financial and investment advice, by the way. I just wanna recommend that you. Yeah, right now we are seeing that's the graphic. Probably you have used Pump.fun, and every working mechanism is the same, and there is no any different thing, just except user interface and user device. And yes, virtual liquidity is 11,000, market cap is 5,000, and price token created, I mean that's a token supply, and there is no any 24 hours volume, and that's not so good because probably everybody buying at the first time the token, and token is pumping, they pump the token, and then they sell and they gave some money to her wallet, to her base, and then bonding curve progress. There is no progress, holder distribution. There is no any right holder distribution and trading history. If you are seeing trading history, for example, last user 1 minute ago, the sell hold on Tucker coin, and then there is no any buying. Even 1 minute had already passed from the last activation on the transactions, and then that's why how can we trade meme coin on the Tron ecosystem and just using Sunpump? Yeah, just click listed on some swap. That means you will see so normal and so tradable coins. As you can see, for example, remove it. For example, market cap is so low. Yeah, it can be potential. It can be contain a lot of potential, but when you click, for example, click 24-hour volume, there is no any volume, zero Tron, and there is no any moving into the even 5 minutes chart. That's why you need to just click listed on SunSwap, and then you will see normal coins. For example, what's the market cap? Probably it had already graduated newly, and right now that's the first time on the SunSwap. Just take a look. For example, 24 hours volume is like this, and so matter 5.8 million Tron, and token created for A7. And token had already created 4 hours ago, that means. And market cap, there is no market cap, but actually probably that's the Sunpump fun error because the token had already newly listed on SunSwap. For example, we need to take a look some alt. That's market cap 88. It's so too much. What is the main logic? For example, if I'm not mistaken, I bought this token. Yeah, I bought this token, and right now, if I want to sell my home Rocket Sun, there is no any. If I'm not mistaken, I bought 300,000 Rapid Sun, but right now the graphic is not looking so good, and I don't care. I just spent 20 Tron, and actually we had already traded and discovered a lot of tokens in there, but don't forget that the main logic is that just discover the token at the 7 or 10,000 market caps and then sell it minimum of how can I say 20,000. Yeah, 20,000, 50,000, or even $100,000 as a market cap, for example. For that's why first of all we need to take a look listed on Sunswap and of this and just looking for example, that's it. Tron King, and we need to a little bit, even a little bit, 24 hours volume. Liquidity, yeah, is so good, but there is no moving. Maybe we can scroll down a lot more and take a look these bars. If the bars is fully, that means it will be listed on Sunswap, it will be graduate, and that's so good. I mean, there is no, for example, the token is looking for containing high potential and 24 hours volume. Probably it's occurring and reasoning any Sunpump's error. And token created 6 minutes. Virtual liquidity is so good. Market cap is also. And bonding curve progress 58%. And bonding curve is only bond curve have 31% of total supply, and other things is just distributed on the holders. And then maybe it's looking so good, and then if you want to buy, for example, my balance, for example, I don't know when I transferred this tricks, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, when inscription hype is happening on the Tron ecosystem, I have just 20 trucks and you will receive 7,000 Pengu token, and then wait, link sign, transaction failed. Probably, maybe I need 80. Sign again. Transaction was successfully confirmed. And yes, right now my balance still is 80 Tronics. I don't know why. Maybe I need a little bit time to confirm on the on-chain successfully and fully. And yeah, after a little bit minutes, you can sell your own Pengu tokens. Yeah, for example, had already discovered the token and we're at the 36 market cap, and I hope it won't be. And don't forget that it's not a financial advice. It's just example, and I show you in this video. And Creator, for example, that's so bad. Creator has 67% of total supply, and then rest of the total supply is belonging to the bonding curve. And what happened? Yeah, probably yes. A few seconds ago, unfortunately, the creator had already sold its own whole tokens, if I'm not mistaken, whole tokens. And then yes, probably he had already got some profit. I don't know it so much. And please pay attention. And that's just example. As you see, the creator have bigger piece of the whole total supply, and then what she did or what he did, I don't know. You are seeing the Pengu token graphic is increasing, and probably it's increasing just 2 more times, and then creator or the sale who own supply which one is on bag, and then that's it. That's why we are seeing the yes. When you are seeing 1 minute chart, you are seeing that's the yeah. Right now we are seeing creator had already sold our whole bag, and right now we are seeing a huge and insane red candle in the graphic, and that's why first of all we had already learned how can we keep our money into the Sunpump when I wanna trading Tron ecosystem meme coins. For example, Megatron. Maybe it can be a good name for that. And then what is the launching time? Bonding curve progress, by the way, at almost 40%. And then holder. Who is that? There is no any bonding curve. Wait a little bit. Buy. There is just one cell. And sure, it's not yet. And then we are seeing the graphic. And then we are not seeing 24 hours of volume, and liquidity is enough. Market cap already the same with virtual liquidity, and then that's a bonding curve, and there is no creator holding. For example, there is no any creator holding. Just let me a second refresh to maybe Sunpump had already did some errors, show us the creator and others balance. Yes, I refreshed and still I'm seeing the bonding curve has the huge piece of the total supply and there is no any creator and you had already sold. Oh my god. Yeah. Although creator has no any supply, for example, you are seeing 7%, 4%, 2%, and maybe there can be a huge piece of the total supply in total. Yeah, for example, 7%, 4%, and in total they are already did 11%, and that can be a chaos, maybe the red candle. Are you seeing just during the little bit minutes we are rugged? I hope you are not rugged, but I just show you right now the cryptocurrencies, cryptocurrencies making a money mission is in Tron ecosystem. And yeah, you can still trade meme coins on the Solana ecosystem, but you know, every hype at the beginning can make a lot of money. And we can still take a look some other. Let's get started. Take a look listed on SunSwap, Tron custom meme coins. For example, market cap zero, market cap zero. What's wrong with you, Sunpump? Mate Philly, Baby Sun. It's good. Monkey, Sunship, Pepe. Wow, look at this. For example, Pepe probably it already did a lot of X. Yes, as I guess. Just take a look. And for example, at the 20. Wow, did it just during the today, only during the today, and I hope we can. That's 30x. That's 30x, and still, for example, if you bought it at deal, right now you can do easily 24x, for example. And bonding curve progress 100 is already listed on the SunSwap, Sunship, maybe Ponky can be a next pepper on the Tron, Sunlion, and Jalgan. For example, let's take a look. Probably we are seeing. Yes, I had already said, but I can't do this because we are already seeing that. Pump it aggressively and then rock it slowly. That's why you kept your money from that. On the real name, Zhao An. Probably it can be a something, can be a somebody for Tron ecosystem. Zhao An, Zhao means good morning in Mandarin, and we have Twitter, we have websites. For example, let's take a look website. Zhaoan Asia. Looks so good, and that's the interesting sound. And then or the rugged. Maybe we can be a huge increasing again into the second wave on the Tron ecosystem meme coin hype. And creator had all this stalled because right now we are seeing that and the huge holder, the biggest holder still couldn't sell. Probably it had already bought the tokens at tier. Maybe we can bought it because the graphic is not so looking so bad. Yeah, we can try it. We can try it and then we can sell it. For example, if you bought it in there and then sell them, that can be easy 3x. And then we need to take a look some other snowball. Probably we will see the next same graphic. Yes, whoa, that's so weird graphic. That's so weird dragging there. I don't know why I can use charts, some other indicators. Nevertheless, and then click a lot more. We need to take some potential token zeros. 1.32 million, 2 million, and then Justin soon. Oh, 2.2 million. I don't believe we had already caught them. Horizon bot and Fido. And then 7,000 probably it had already rugged market increasing so a lot more and land wolf on Tron 2.7 million and dude we need to take a look, we need to find potential next potential. For example, that can be not that's so more. For example, one day normal bragged so gradually. Yeah, nevertheless, I don't want to take it so long this video, and that's the main. Just one thing is main. You have to also learn how can you use Sunpump, what you should to take a look, pay attention firstly when you want to trade at the Tron ecosystem, when you want to bought and made a lot of X at the one time or into the one day. I don't know what is your target. You can set yourself on your own, and then yes, if you want to support us to more connect or more contents with your contents, don't forget to support us, don't forget to subscribe our channel, smash the like button, and then I had already dropped our socials link into the descriptions of this video, and just follow us, join Telegram, ask me any question, doesn't matter, every day, every night I am ready to ask you. Yeah, that's it. See you on the next time.